Hello, legends. Welcome back to Rebuild, Restart, Rise, the show where we break barriers, shatter limits, and elevate to the next level of evolution. Let's begin with a simple question. How many of you have ever taken something personally? A comment, an action, or even just a look? Most of us have. It's natural to feel affected by what others say or do. But today, we will explore two powerful strategies to break free from this habit and regain control over our emotions. Understanding why we take things personally. Imagine you invite a friend to a movie, and they decline, saying they have work. Later, you see them out with others on the same evening. Or perhaps you've worked hard on a project, but instead of appreciation, all you receive is criticism. Maybe someone interrupts you while you're speaking and starts scrolling on their phone. In moments like these, emotions take over. It feels like a personal attack. The mind says, "They don't respect me, I'm not valued, it's unfair." But before assigning blame, we must pause and ask, why does this affect me so deeply? The reason is simple. Our ego wants to be recognized, appreciated, and respected. When we don't receive that, we feel hurt. But do we really want to spend our energy battling every perceived slight? Or would we rather experience peace and freedom? The choice is ours. Now let's explore two strategies that can help us stop taking things personally. Strategy one, it's not about me. Most of the time, what others say or do has nothing to do with us. People act based on their own thoughts, emotions, and circumstances. Instead of assuming the worst, we should ask ourselves, what might be the reason behind their behavior? A person checking their phone during a conversation may have received an important message. A colleague who is critical may be facing their own pressures. A driver tailgating on the road is probably in a hurry. It has nothing to do with us. Shifting the focus from me to we allows us to replace irritation with understanding. This simple mindset shift can reduce stress and help us navigate interactions with greater ease. However, there are moments when this strategy isn't enough, when the words or actions of others hit something deeper within us. That's when we turn to the second strategy. Strategy two, it is about me when criticism or rejection stings. It's a sign that something within us needs attention. If someone calls us selfish and it bothers us, perhaps it's because deep down, we recognize moments when we haven't been considerate of others. We take things personally when they touch an insecurity or an unresolved belief about ourselves. Often these stem from past experiences. Perhaps we were made to feel we were never good enough or our efforts were constantly criticized. In these moments, instead of reacting defensively, we should ask, why does this affect me? What part of me is being triggered? By acknowledging these emotions, we give ourselves a chance to heal and grow. Additionally, we can choose to communicate our feelings constructively. Saying, "I feel unheard" when you walk away while I'm speaking, fosters understanding instead of conflict. The power of perspective. The ability to not take things personally is a skill, one that requires awareness, patience, and practice. When we recognize that most actions are not personal, we free ourselves from unnecessary stress. And when we acknowledge our own triggers, we gain the power to heal and respond with clarity. So the question is, do we want to be right or do we want to be happy? Let's choose understanding over assumption. Let's choose growth over ego. Let's choose peace over unnecessary battles. No matter what others say or do, our value remains unchanged, just like a crumpled banknote retains its worth. Words and actions may challenge us, but they do not define us. And that's it for today. Remember, not everything is about you, and even when it is, it's an opportunity to grow. The next time you feel affected by someone's words or actions, take a step back, breathe, and ask yourself, is this really worth my energy? If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights on personal growth and mindset shifts. And hey, drop a comment below. Have you ever taken something personally and later realized it wasn't about you? Let's talk. Until next time, stay mindful, stay strong, and keep growing. See you in the next video.